I'm going to go over a small handheld car vacuum from the company Bebuy. Oh, it's the Bebuy company. And let's just go over it. You know what? We don't need the box here. Actually, the box has a little bit of specs on the side of it. It's a 12.6 volt, 2 amp capacity, 120 watts. Battery capacity is 2,000 milliamps, measuring not much specs on that. Look at this neat little box it comes with. So opening this thing up, I'll show you some of the things that came with it here. Number one, it looks like a very premium item here. I've already had it out and used it a little bit. A charging cable and the battery. To charge the battery, you're just going to plug it directly into the top just like that and plug it into a USB. So there's that. And the battery is a 38.3. What a weird size battery. I've never seen that. And it's a 12 volt max. Put that aside. This looks like it's a little brush piece right here that goes for the blowing portion. By the way, it blows on the back and sucks on the front, just so you know. And this is the actual little mechanism that's like a little vacuum. You can see I've already sucked up some in my van here. I will show it use. And to put this on, it goes just like that. The batteries, you get 2 batteries with this thing. We'll go ahead and put that on there. Here's the second battery. You get this little attachment right here that plugs in there. So that's going to be an attachment for going like that. You get 2 extra filters right there. You get a crack and crevice. And this right here is for the like small, kind of getting in maybe like a CD player or something like that. And this part is for getting around buttons and things like that. You know what? Enough talking. Let's take this over to my van, do some vacuuming. Let me show you how well this thing works. Put it all back in the box and let's get over there. You can see this is basic kind of trash that's just been got in here. So to turn it on, you're just going to hold this button down. When you hold it down, it will come on. You got 1, 2. So there's low and high. Hold it down for 3 seconds. It's on low. There's high. Check this out. Everybody, I really like this vacuum because of the fact that it vacuums in the front like this. And then I'll show you how you can blow off, say around your CD player, around your dash or something like that. So you see how all this works right there. You can take that attachment off. Let's go with the crack and crevice attachment. Okay, got the crack and crevice on here. You can see how that works really good down in there like that. That seems to work fine. So take that off, turn it off. Let me show you this blower attachment. So with the blower, you're gonna take this piece right here and check this out. So now, what's this? Turn it on. Second, now check it out. You have a blower for blowing off stuff. You can go down. That's like a powerful blower, just like that. Keyboard blower, something like that. That works great for that. Take that piece off. This one goes in here like that. See how there's dirt down in there? Blow all this out. That works great on that. So a blower and a vacuum built into one. And by the way, when you want to empty this, all you do is take it off, empty that out, and then dump out all your garbage down in there and then pop it back in there. And it's nice that you have a backup battery that you can always have on charge. So when this one goes dead, you got one in the waiting there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Bebuy small cordless vacuum / blower. See you on the next video.